All right, everyone, thank you so much for checking in. We got a video today that I'm excited for. This is the new work seat cover from Attack Graphics. So I've used Attack Graphics seat covers a lot in the past on all my bike builds. They've been great for me. Great durability, they look good, they install easily, but now you have the work seat cover, and the big update here is the material. So there's new colorways available, but the material is the big upgrade here. They're using a rubber vinyl material that has more stretch and it is grippier. And if you know me, I've talked about in a lot of videos, I'm pretty picky about seat covers. I do not like it when I feel like I'm sliding around on my seat. So I like a lot of grip. I like to feel planted and stuck to the motorcycle when I'm sitting down, or even when you're just squeezing the motorcycle. A lot of OEM seats nowadays are pretty slippery, especially in wet and muddy conditions, or if you have an older seat cover that's maybe pretty worn out, maybe got some tears in there, it's lost some of that grippy feel, it's always a really good idea to get a new seat cover to maintain that grip. Also, like I said, it's a lot to do with your body position, having the correct form and technique. If you're trying to fight where you're sitting on the bike when you are sitting down, that's gonna affect your form. So having a grippy seat cover can aid with that as well. So there's multiple reasons why you should have one of these on your bike. But like I said, the material now, it's got more stretch to it, so it makes installing these super easy. We've got a great how-to video that shows you step-by-step how to get one of these installed. But also a big update too is with the ribs. So the previous version does have ribs, but now what they've done is they've actually put piping underneath those, and those just elevate those just a little bit more. Again, just helping keep you in place. And that's really gonna aid you in those wet, muddy conditions. So overall, like I said, they look awesome, easy to install, and if you're like me, if you wanna feel more planted to the bike and have a lot of grip when you're sitting down, this is a really, really good seat cover. Also at a great price, you're right around 50 bucks, so you really can't beat the value of these seat covers as well. To see if we have one for your bike, it is simple because we carry these for a lot of different motorcycles. Just enter the year, make, and model of your bike on the product page. We ship for free over 75 bucks. So grab one today, click on the link, or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell, and that way you always stay up to date on product spotlights like you just saw today. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.